Kiran asked, मनवीर ने जब आपको कहा कि आप यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे, do you have anything to say? Because एक एपिसोड में मनवीर ने कहा था कि he said कि मुझे नहीं पता तुम यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँच गई हो. So do you think he meant it or just ऐसे ही just में बोल दिया?
No, very honestly, Manveer didn't mean it. See, what I can say, he didn't mean it. I think it was a task when he got a secret task.
Yeah.
By Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, and he asked him to do it purposely. So he was doing it purposely to annoy me, and that was the whole purpose of doing that. He wanted to annoy me. So he was saying things, but at the same time, he has also appreciated the fact that I have given Takkar to all of them. Even Manveer, he is a strong man, and I had given him Takkar. He has appreciated me, and when we had to stand on the numbers, he said that he looks that if he looks at somebody who's ahead of him, he looks at me. So at that time, see, a person in the house talks all kind of things. Sometimes that person is kidding, sometimes that person really means it. So you got to understand when he's kidding and when he really means it. So he really meant it when I was standing on, and that's why I was standing on number 1, right? Because nobody else could take that position or convince me to take the position at that point of time.
We have Zerul, he's saying hello Lopa Mudra, if you can just wave to him.
Hi!
Sugandh says you were the bestest person in Bigg Boss. So many messages saying that.
You.
Aks Fatima says you're the true winner of the show, all the best.
Thank you.
Nice. Shivani Sahu says your sister is awesome.
Oh, thank you. I love my sister too.
Yeah, we love that episode when she came. You were like,
Oh my god. See, my sister's like my second mother because I have spent less time with my mom and more time with my sister. She's literally brought me up. So, I love
Who did you miss the most when you were inside the Bigg Boss?
Inside the house, I did not carry any photograph of my sister, my mom, my dad, nobody. I'm very spiritual, so I'm a Guruji. I never carried any picture because I thought there are many tasks that you had to cut each other's photographs and all. So I thought if in any task somebody does that to my pictures, I'll be really disheartened. So I never carried any pictures. I would just close my eyes and think of my dad, and I would remember the suggestions that he had given me. So I did miss my dad a lot, and I did miss my sister.
So, if you can just sum up your entire Bigg Boss journey in one word or one statement, what would that be? How would you sum up your journey?
Was challenging and phenomenal. Challenging and phenomenal.
You regret anything?
Fear is stupid and so is regret. That's what I have always believed. I have made mistakes, yes, and I have learned. I wouldn't have learned if I hadn't made mistakes. So I'm glad that I have made every mistake that I've made, and I've learned from it, and I have evolved, and I've become a better person. So I have no regrets.
And lastly, Lopa, you have any message for your Lopa army? Your Lopa army. So many followers, so many lovers all over. So
Lopa army, thank you so much, guys, for supporting me, for giving me so much love, for standing up for me, for standing by me, for speaking for me when I wasn't in a condition to justify myself to the outside world. When you could only see the 40 minutes of the episode, and people do become judgmental, and they don't try to understand why this happened and why is she doing that. So when you spoke for me, when you stood back for me, thank you so much for all the love and support. It's incredible and fabulous. Your love is so overwhelming. I heard so much from the Dawn. She told me how much love you've given me when I was in the house. So it's priceless, and I cannot appreciate it enough. Thank you so much for everything.
So goodbye.
Goodbye, lots of love. Take care, be healthy, be happy, keep supporting, keep loving. I'm nothing without you. तुम्हारे बिना मैं अधूरी हूँ. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much.
I love my India. I love my country. I love all you people.
एक आखिरी गाना from Lopa Mudra Raut.
हाँ हंसी बन गए, हाँ नमी बन गए, तुम मेरे आसमां, मेरी ज़मीं बन गए.
So Bigg बॉस चाहते हैं कि
बिग बॉस चाहते हैं कि लोपामुद्रा अब अपने घर जाए.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you guys. I love you all.